The youth epidemic, fentanyl's target generation. They're not buying drugs, they're ordering death through an app. Social media has become the new street corner for drug dealers. Platforms like Snapchat, TikTok, and Instagram allow dealers to reach teenagers instantly, hidden in plain sight. 90% of teen drug transactions now occur online, a staggering figure that reflects how far the opioid crisis has infiltrated the digital world. Fake pills, disguised to look like prescription meds, are marketed using vibrant colors and digital ads. These counterfeit pills are sold as common drugs like Xanax, Percocet, or Adderall, but they contain deadly doses of fentanyl, often without the buyer's knowledge. Dealers now use social media algorithms to target vulnerable teens, those searching for mental health support, weight loss, or pain relief. These platforms aren't just for socializing, they're the perfect marketing tool for traffickers who exploit teen insecurities and struggles. Why are teenagers at high risk? The teenage brain is especially at risk. The impulse control regions aren't fully developed until age 25, making young people 4 times more susceptible to addiction. This critical window of development leaves teens vulnerable to experimentation, and fentanyl doesn't allow for mistakes. In fact, 54% of teen overdose deaths have skyrocketed since 2019, with fentanyl playing a key role in the surge. It's not just the number of overdoses that's increasing, it's the severity of them. The National Institute on Drug Abuse reports that fentanyl is responsible for a significant portion of the overdose deaths among youth. 1 in 15 high school students admits to misusing prescription drugs, a practice that often starts out innocently with a search for stress relief, focus enhancement, or social acceptance. Many of these teens never knew they were taking fentanyl until it was too late. For them, the drug they think they're buying is anything but safe. Just a single pill can contain a lethal dose. The Center for Disease Control and Prevention states that fentanyl is 50 to 100 times more potent than morphine, meaning even a tiny amount can cause a fatal overdose. For young people experimenting with drugs, this potency is a terrifying game changer. This generation is fighting a war on their smartphones, and most don't even know it. It's not just the kids at risk, their families and communities are devastated by the epidemic. Teen overdose deaths in the United States surged by nearly 100% between 2019 and 2021, driven by the influx of fentanyl into high schools and communities nationwide. These numbers aren't just statistics, they represent real lives lost, dreams cut short, and families torn apart. In a world where teenagers are already struggling with the pressures of school, social media, and mental health, fentanyl's silent invasion could be the most dangerous threat they face. And the worst part? It's all happening in plain sight, masked by digital screens and flashy advertisements. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to help spread awareness.